Hi guys! Welcome to Creative Mind YouTube channel with another Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create circular pixel stretch effect in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, add a gradient adjustment layer. Now add your model. I already make a selection of model. Now drag it to your main document. Now select single column selection tool. Now make selection like this. Now again select square selection tool and follow my steps. Now go to Filter menu. Then go to Distort. Then select Polar Coordinates. Now make a new layer. Hold Ctrl and click on Model Layer. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to invert the selection. Now add shadows with Brush tool. Here we go. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.